freak out. Hit the rope.
Right. It's kind of halfway. This son of a bitch is going half his way.
It is just a hook and a leader. All it's saying.
Biting my boat. Probably.
He looks pretty menacing when he's that close, doesn't he? Anybody have any chicken?
About to do this?
I'm really thinking you don't have to do this. It is only a leader and a hook. Because I can't find our way out of here if you get bit.
Once you grab the back of him, all you got to do is just worry about keeping a grip and not getting slapped in the sack by his tail.
Flip will be right there with you. Flip's got him.
I feel good about
He's coming in. Just put him in Flip's lap.
Can you get, how about a pair of pliers just to pull that hook out? You think you can do that?
No.
Here, watch.
He'll bite.
Pull it kind of tight. Just don't get it wrapped around your fingers, because whenever he,
It'll take off.
yeah, if he does take off, you don't want to have it wrapped around nothing.
Alright, I got it.
I can just get the back of his head one more time. Alright, pull it up like that. Turn your head, bitch. Turn your head. Let him get one more run out.
Nice.
The biggest one that I've grabbed this year.
It is?
Mm-hmm.
That's comforting. He's got some girth to it.
Nice girth.
Yeah.
Turn your head. Turn your head. Turn your head.
Alright.
Not that way, jackass.
Now, edit it. Let's get the one where Josh loses his pinky. Let's skip to that video. Video number 7 of a 9-part series. Josh loses a pinky.
Hold it tight.
Entitled, How Did Josh Lose That Pinky? Cut. On your terms. Get him on your terms.
Don't get slapped in the sack, Josh. I'd rather you lose a pinky, buddy.
You gotta pick him up and get a hold to it. Quit turning.
Dude, it's a hook.
It's so good.
It'll rust out.
We doing this.
Alright, that's what I want to hear.
Alright, lift him up.
Well, how's that for lifting him up? Okay. Here it goes. That's all she said.
Turn that body around. I'm gonna step up in here now.
Getting in the water if he does, just so you know.
If he's in the boat, we're in the
Let him
water.
have all he wants.
Yeah.
Yeah, but he's just looking for some Gatorade.
Gatorade.
Because he's a gator.
You
And
know what they say on the water, boy?
Gator. He wants some Gatorade.
I don't think he realizes we're trying to give him a hand here, does he?
Nope.
That stupid leg.
Yeah.
Come on.
Hey, don't do it out of pride either, bud.
Oh, it's happening. Done got here. Done it.
Nice.
Oh.
I like it a lot. Good night. That's so great.
Now come get your hook out.
All right. Yes, sir.
Well, why can't you do it? I don't understand that.
Look at that flip. Let me see it.
Look at those teeth.
You ain't gonna take a picture with him?
Well, I'm all the way
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'm so far away from him. Bill, we appreciate your time. About 5, almost 6 foot long. No need to be.
That's pretty. How many pair of boots can we make out of this thing? Come here.
Shaking his hand.
Link more.
Y'all got it?
Yeah, we got it. Yeah.
That was a nice exit.